Okay, we're going to start our search from an incognito window, which means that my personal search preferences are not part of the search results. We Google purses, Andrews, North Carolina, the item we're looking for locally, and Raine Boutique comes up as the #1 search result. And the reason it comes up is because of the keywords that we use. This is the essence of search engine optimization. And if we scroll down these keywords, these are informing Google that all of these things are available: purses and handbags and purses near me. That's why we come up in a search result for Google. So that's what these keywords do. Your virtual storefront has other features like a description, the location compared to the shopper, hours, it's just an active element, and all of these other features that you can change anytime yourself. And we set up for you for free with a $1.99 per year subscription. That is a virtual storefront, and that is how we do keyword marketing.